Every Shopify store starts the same way, but the outcomes are very different. Some stores sit there with 0 sales, while others launch and quickly reach their first 100 or even their first 1,000. And the ones that keep growing often go much further than that. We all would like a store that gets real traction and not one that stays stuck waiting for the first sale. And the difference almost always comes down to the setup. A well-built store naturally guides shoppers forward, while a messy one quietly pushes them away. In this video, I will walk you through the exact steps that help new Shopify stores succeed. By the end, your store will look professional and be fully ready to accept orders. With that, let's open up your dashboard and build it together. So you've created your Shopify account, added your details, and chosen your store name. Great! The hardest part is already behind you. But before we move deeper into the setup, take a brief moment to think about 3 things. First, what will you sell? Second, who do you want to reach? And third, how much activity do you expect in the beginning? This quick clarity gives context for the decisions you'll be making later, including picking a plan. If you haven't nailed down every detail yet, that's perfectly fine. The work we're doing now fits any future direction. The basic plan is usually more than enough at the start, and you can always upgrade as your sales grow. We won't be activating anything just yet, as you can build your entire store during the trial period. Remember, Shopify is the foundation of your store. The tools we'll be adding later will help everything feel smooth, responsive, and ready for real customers. Once the core of your store is in place, we will layer in the integrations, and you'll see the difference. Alright, let's get your store materials ready. So you have your plan, your vision, and maybe even some products ready. Before we start building, take one quick step to make this easier for yourself. Create a folder to store all of your assets. I've pulled everything together in one place like this. Keeping everything organized not only speeds up the setup, but it helps you get a clearer picture of what you're building, which in turn leads to a stronger store overall. Once that is done, open your Shopify dashboard. On the left, you will see things like home, orders, products, customers, and other tools that you will be using while building and running your store. Taking a moment to get familiar with this layout can help the next stages feel much smoother. And don't worry if it feels new, you'll get comfortable with it as we go along. And with that done, let's choose your store's theme. With all assets ready and the dashboard open, we can start working on the part shoppers notice first, the store design. In the left sidebar, go down to Sales Channels and click Online Store. This takes you straight to the Themes section. You will notice that Shopify has already assigned a basic one to your store. For me, it's Horizon. Right under that, you will see an option called Design Your Store in Seconds, and you can play around with it later. But for now, we're going to pick a preset theme. Scroll down until you see Visit Theme Store, then click it. Once loaded, at the top of the filter bar, select Free to narrow the list down. There are several strong options here, and you can take a moment to scroll through and look for something that fits the kind of store you want to build. Today, I will be using Rise in our example. A simple, well-structured theme makes the rest of the setup faster and keeps everything visually consistent for your customers. So go ahead and select Rise or the theme of your choice, then click Try Theme. After a moment, it will appear in your theme library under your current one. When it's loaded, click Publish. Great! You're ready to start editing your store. Select Edit Theme to open the page builder. This is your main workspace. You will find that everything comes pre-built with a functional layout. Have a look around and review each section to understand what you can keep, what you can adjust, and what you may want to remove. In the case that your page looks a little different, that happens and there's nothing to worry about. Themes get updated from time to time. Next, let's take a look at the left panel. There you will see that Shopify lists every section of your page along with your theme settings and future app embeds, which become important when we add apps to support your sales flow. Up at the top, you can use the drop-down to view other pages like products, cart, and more. For now, we're staying on the homepage to build the core design. Good work! Your store has now taken its first steps towards a clear visual direction. Should you wish to, you can always come back here and add a new theme. For now, let's shape the one we chose together to reflect your brand's unique style and story. Before we start shaping the homepage, open your theme settings from the icon on the left. This is where the main parts of your branding live, so setting them now will streamline the rest of the process. Let's start with your logo. I'm uploading the one I prepared in advance. Once it appears in your header, your store immediately feels more personal and intentional. Right below it, add a favicon. That's the small icon that shows up in the browser tab, and it's really important because it gives your site a finished and professional look. Next, open up the Colors section. Use your logo as a guide and choose colors that keep your buttons, backgrounds, and text visually consistent. After that, go to Typography. Shopify offers a wide range of fonts, but you only need to select 2 that complement each other, one for headings and one for the main text. There are many more options here, such as layout, spacing, small animations, and button styling. You don't need to adjust everything immediately, but it is worth remembering where these settings are. And with that, the important pieces are already set. But before we finish with the theme settings, open social media and add your profile links. Once they're saved, any social icons you add to your store will already be linked to your pages. To finish up here, we will edit cart and checkout. Go in and set your cart style, apply your colors, then open checkout and upload your logo again to ensure your branding remains consistent throughout. Click Save and return to Sections. Branding is set. We are ready to bring your homepage to life. With your branding in place, we can start shaping your main storefront. The first thing most visitors see, and one of the most important parts of your setup. In the Sections panel, you can see your full homepage structure: the header, banner, featured collections, and the footer. Start with the header. Open it and apply the color scheme you created earlier. This locks in your branding right from the top of the page. Next, go to the footer. Apply your color scheme here as well, adjust the newsletter text if needed, and verify that your social icons appear correctly. Now, open the slide. Upload your prepared image, set your color scheme, and update the headline. The default button leads to all products, which works well for now. Don't make the same mistake I did the first time round, and be sure to save before we move on to the next part. Quick recap. This is the pattern for every section you edit. Open it, update what you need, remove what doesn't serve your store, or add a new section if something is missing. A clear homepage layout makes it easier for visitors to find what they need. Okay, so now with your branding and homepage in place, your store is really starting to take shape. It's time to give it something to display. On the left, click Products and then Add Product. This opens up the editor. Give your listing a clear title and add a description, but keep it short. Focus on the details customers would look for first. Then go ahead and upload several high-quality images. As these will do most of the selling for you, make sure to rearrange them, placing your strongest image first. Under the images, Shopify will suggest a product category based on what you have entered. You can keep it or choose your own. Next, set your price and the quantity of stock you have. Add the package weight and shipping details to ensure your rates remain accurate. If your product comes in different sizes or colors, create those options under Variants. Further down, you will see the category meta fields. These help customers crawl your store. Shopify builds them automatically based on your text and images, so review them for accuracy. At the bottom, you will see the search engine listing. This is how your product appears in search results. You can edit the title and meta description, but keep it under 160 characters. To finish, scroll back up. Under Product Organization on the right, you can add it to a collection. It can be anything you want, like limited edition, for example. That way, people can find it in more than one place. Make sure to click Save before exiting and repeat this process as many times as you need to. Well done! Your first product is now in your store and ready to shine. Here's one small but important tip. Keep your product images the same size as it prevents layout issues in the future. Now that you have your product, let's organize your store with collections. Collections help customers browse your store more efficiently. In the left menu, open Products, then Collections. Click Create Collection. Give it a name like New Arrivals, Best Sellers, or anything that fits your store. Set the collection type to Manual, as that allows you to select which products appear in it. In the Product section, click Browse and select the items you want to feature. Each item can live in more than one group, giving shoppers more ways to find it. You can add a search engine listing here too, and at the top right, upload an image if you have one. It's time to click Save and add the apps that support your sales. Your store now has a structure, a product, and clear categories. This is where integrations help your store communicate, automate, and support customers more effectively. In the left sidebar, click Add under Apps. At the bottom of the pop-up, select Discover More in the Shopify App Store. This is where Shopify keeps everything that helps you strengthen your store. You will find email tools, print-on-demand providers, social sales channels, and support systems. Many of them install instantly and show up right in your dashboard. You don't need many apps when you're just getting started. It's better to focus on the ones that directly support your sales. Let's take a look at how we can add real-time support to do just that. Many new stores lose potential customers simply because no one was there to answer a quick question. Real-time support helps you recover those shoppers before they leave. In the App Store, search for live chat and click Install twice. Shopify connects it automatically, and you can test it for free for 14 days with no credit card. After you enter your details, the integration is active. Now click Add Chat Widget, and Shopify will show you where it appears on your site. You can place it everywhere, including the checkout and thank you pages. Once you save, visitors can reach you instantly, and that helps build trust in your store. You can adjust the chat's appearance, change the greeting, and make it fit your brand perfectly, all from the live chat settings. It also highlights the products a visitor has viewed or added to their cart, which makes it easier to answer questions quickly and keep potential buyers engaged. Plus, it can track which chats lead to purchases, giving you clear insights into how support directly affects your revenue. You can even connect Instagram, Facebook Messenger, and WhatsApp, so all of your messages come into one place where they're easy to manage. With real-time support ready, the next step is staying connected with visitors even after they leave your store. Email lets you follow up with visitors, welcome new subscribers, and build your customer base over time. Go to the Shopify App Store and check out some popular examples like MailChimp or Klaviyo. These all work directly inside Shopify, so everything is easy to manage. Shopify will collect emails for you at checkout and through any forms you have on your site. Live chat can collect them too when visitors interact with it. These contacts become your growing audience. You don't need to send out anything advanced at the start. A simple welcome message or a short update is more than enough. The goal is to stay present and build trust while your store grows. Now that we have support and email covered, let's finish your core store settings. Your store is nearly ready, so let's make sure that everything runs smoothly for when the real orders start coming in. We'll keep this part simple. Open Settings at the bottom left of your dashboard. Start with Shopify Payments. It's your best option as it enables credit cards, Apple Pay, and Google Pay. You will see PayPal as an option here too, but you do need to connect your account if you want to use it. Remember, your store cannot process any orders until your payment methods are fully set. Let's now take a look at checkout. Review what information you need from customers and how the checkout page behaves. Then, adjust to what fits your store best. After that, open Shipping and Delivery. Set your shipping rates starting with your home country. Add other regions if you plan to ship internationally, and enter the package weights to ensure accuracy. Once these essentials are in place, your store has everything it needs to handle orders properly from day one. Now it's time to make sure that your store appears correctly in Google search. Exit Settings and go to Online Store, then Preferences. Set your homepage title and a short description so Google has the right information to show. After that, upload the image that people will see when your site is shared. I'm using my logo here. Hit Save, then head back to Settings and open Domains. You can keep Shopify's temporary domain, but adding your own one gives your store a more complete and trustworthy feel. If you already own one, click Connect Existing Domain and follow the steps. If not, click Buy New Domain and choose the name you want. Your SEO and domain shape how people first encounter your store, so fixing these now helps create a strong first impression. Everything's set. Let's publish your store. You have built the structure, set your branding, added your products, and tuned every detail. This final step turns all of that hard work into a real public store. Before publishing, perform a quick mobile check. Open your theme editor, switch to mobile view, and scroll through your pages. Most themes adjust automatically, but this is your chance to catch anything that needs a quick fix. Once everything looks right, go back to Online Store and click Pick a Plan. Select the plan that best suits your needs, enter your billing details, and activate it. When the plan is live, open Preferences and remove your password. The moment you switch it off, your store is officially online. You started with an empty dashboard and now you have a fully functional Shopify store. Clean, structured, and built the right way from the start. Your store is live and everything you set up is ready to support real customers. This is where growth starts to build. To get your first visitors, keep things simple. Share your products on the platforms you already use, post in places where your audience hangs out, and let early supporters help spread the word. As people start visiting, Shopify shows you exactly how your store is performing. Your products, checkout, analytics, messages, and marketing tools all live in one place, so it's easy to understand what's working. And the integrations you added earlier help with that too. Live chat helps you answer questions before someone leaves, and email lets you stay connected to people who weren't ready to buy yet. There you have it. Your Shopify store is fully set up, branded, and ready for customers. You now have the foundation that takes stores from zero to their first real results, and the apps you added will support your growth from here. And remember, every great store started exactly where you are right now. If you found this helpful, be sure to subscribe and drop a comment with what else you'd like me to cover. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.